Okay guys, so I want to show you something very cool here with the central command with the cheat code overlays and how well it has actually worked and how it called this entire move to the downside. So you can see over here, even on May 22nd, I posted this here on the official X account of Central Command where we had the red warning sign. So this was Bitcoin at 4 hourly and you can see at about $80,000 it started turning red, and that was the warning sign after the price flipped down below the EMA ribbon after the red. I was saying here, if Bitcoin is bearish targeting 60K, it shouldn't get much above that EMA ribbon top at 78,500. And that is exactly what happened. Today, just a few hours ago, Bitcoin already hit $65,000 from here. So just to show you here, this is right now Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart with the overlays over here on Central Command Terminal, and that's exactly what happened. So when I posted it back on May 22nd, we were about over here, and that was just after the EMA ribbon flip on the 4-hourly, and we have dropped to 65,000. And as you can see here, things are starting to get blue again, which means it's probably in the short term starting to get kind of bottomed out in the same way it did here. But keep in mind, this can take multiple days because it's a 4-hour chart, and of course it can still fluctuate several $1,000s and still be blue. But we're starting to get to a point where now it's a bad RR to start shorting after a $15,000 move. But the point here is to show you how helpful this can be as an overall guidance, right? So you can see here how well this works, and the higher the time frame is, the more reliable it is in terms of moves, right? You can use it on this low time frame for scalping, like 1 minute and 5 minute charts, but you have to keep in mind when you do get large sell-offs like this, then it's gonna be a different style, right? It works well in ranging environments, it works well in higher time frames. On lower time frames, just be careful not to get too zoomed in on like the 1 minute chart and forget about what's actually happening on the higher time frame. So this is, in my opinion, very, very useful, even for swing trades, even for spot. You can see here when it turned blue and we got the EMA ribbon flip after that, you could have caught a move here from just about like 67, 68,000 all the way to when it started turning red just above 80,000 over there. Then the 80,000 warning was basically a warning that we weren't going higher here and that it wasn't the time to long. It was actually time to potentially here close the open longs. If you had any longs from here, you could have closed when it started turning red. And then number 3 is once we had red and we had the EMA ribbon flip, like you saw me post in real time there, it's timestamped everything, around about $78,000. We could have kept it till it started turning blue, and you could have caught a $10,000 move to the downside. And right now, we are starting to turn blue here. So I do expect probably for us to create some sort of low time frame, maybe bottom and maybe bounce up a little bit. You know, it could easily bounce back to the ribbon highs, so 70, 71,000, and then maybe still continue lower. That remains to be seen. The point here that I wanted to show you is how well these overlays work and how you can use them to help you make better decisions for trading, to not short bottoms and not long tops. And again, this is all still 100% free at this point in time. The details how to get access I'll put in the description down below. In future, we will actually charge for that, but for now, it's still 100% free. So go and play around with this. This works on all time frames. It works on all charts, not just crypto. It's also gold and indices and oil and whatever trade, whatever chart is available, because it's based on price action and it just does make a big difference. Like we also have these other overlays here. They're basically just these one-click overlays. I do like this one also, the rainbow deviation with the Mayer multiple to look at, especially on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, not as much, but you can see here how well this works also in terms of the mid-range, right? When we're bearish, it tends to hit the bottom and then bounce to the middle and then hit the bottom again and then kind of chop around the middle, and then here we are approaching the bottom. So it does seem like, based on this and the fact that we are turning blue, which you can even add to this right here as a range deviation too, right? So you can see over here on the 4-hourly, I do think that once we hit that bottom, if we can sweep 60K, right? like that's what I said, it's turning blue, but it doesn't mean it can't go a few $1,000s lower. If we can sweep 60K, it lines up with the bottom here of the rainbow deviation, the range deviations will be blue, we will have swept that 60K low, everything will have been extremely oversold, and that might actually be a long back up. We'll have to keep an eye on that. So that is where these things are so useful, because the price can only deviate so far from the mean, and when it hits these extremes, like you can see on these bands, usually it doesn't really go much further, and it at least chops sideways and a little bit higher before the next leg down, because it needs to get away from those oversold conditions, and it needs to kind of reset the price action before it can continue lower. So that is something I'm watching here right now. If we can sweep this 60K low, it might be a nice long back up for $5,000 to $10,000 to the upside, maybe back to the mid-range before continuing lower. Because on the higher time frames, I do still think we are bearish. I mean, weekly, daily, let's go here. This is a 3-day, and you can see over here what's happening, and it's pretty clear here on like the 3-day. I do think we're going a bunch lower still, and the bottom here is like in the 40,000s. I do think we're going eventually down there. You can see the middle perfectly rejected here after hitting the bottom, reject, and we could move up a little bit here, 70,000, maybe 71, 72, but I do think it's possible that we do end up here in the next couple of weeks. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 months, who knows? It could also be a lot faster, but that's kind of what we're watching for now. And anyway, the point here is to demonstrate how these overlays can help make your decisions easier in terms of finding extremes and when to know if something is probably a little bit too overextended, and that you shouldn't be chasing that move. Like, you shouldn't be shorting here. Like we can see, what is the range deviation going to say here? Yeah, you can see here, perfect. Even with this in combination, it was warning the bottom of the rainbow deviation, the blue over here. It basically told you at around 60K you don't want to be shorting that, and we had that rally back to the mid-range at about 76. So anyway, this is 100% free. I would suggest go and register for this, go and get access while it is still free before we start charging. We've been working on this for over a year, and we made a lot of progress. There's still things we're adding to it continuously. It's free, details down below. Go and play around with this and use it for your own trading, or in confluence with your own methods, just to see, have a look, put these overlays on. They're easy to use, and you can connect your Blowfin exchange account to this and actually trade through the terminal also via API. So we're not an exchange, you can't deposit here. You can just connect your official exchange account via API keys, and then you can actually trade with your Blowfin balance within your trading account through the terminal, which is also pretty cool. Anyways, enough of that. Smash the like button, make sure you subscribe for more updates, because it will continue to put out more content like this. And go and sign up for the terminal, get access, play around with this for yourself, and see how useful it is.